Hey guys, you saw that thumbnail. We're making shrimp tacos. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. I have a great, fast, quick, and easy shrimp taco recipe. I'm going to show you how I make my seasoning blend, and this is a great meal for any weeknight, especially when you have everything already mixed up in terms of your seasoning. And I really enjoy this on Friday evenings as a start to my weekend. And I'm going to show you how to make a great meal and make it fast and quick with these shrimp tacos. All right, so guys, here are our ingredients. Here is the star of the show. These are our shrimp. These are 5160 shrimp from Publix. You've got your taco shells. I like the stand and stuff taco shells. That way I can put a lot of stuff inside for my shrimp tacos. We've got ground cumin. We've got some oregano flakes. We've got some garlic powder. We've got some smoked paprika. We've got some ground coriander. We've got some Ancho chili powder. You can use just regular old chili powder. This is just what I have in my pantry, Ancho chili powder. We've got some salt. We've also got some pepper, good old-fashioned black pepper. We've got our friend here, Mr. Accent, one of the secrets in my kitchen. And lastly, we've got some good old-fashioned olive oil. The olive oil is going to be used to help make our spice blend stick to our shrimp. So I like to have some taco seasoning mixed up ahead of time. This is a nice little rub. And this way it makes it super easy to put your tacos together. So I'm starting with a little small canister that I had some seasoning in. I took the label off, that way I'll know that, hey, this isn't what was in there, but this is my taco seasoning. And I'm basically gonna use 1 teaspoon of every one of these ingredients that I just showed you. And then what we'll do here with our seasoning blend is we'll put our cap back on, our bottle. We'll put the top back on. Give that a shake. And now we got some taco seasoning. So what I'm gonna do here to get my seasoning to adhere to the shrimp is I'm gonna put in a tap of olive oil, not too much. And then I can come in here with some black pepper. If you grind up the pepper, you can put it into your seasoning blend to your taste. As you can see, I was pretty generous with the black pepper. And then now we take our new taco seasoning mix that we made up. And we'll take this, and now we can sprinkle it right onto our shrimp. This is probably, if I had to guess, this is probably about 4 ounces of shrimp. And you just have to use enough shrimp so that, you know, you can make some healthy tacos. Yeah, that's what we want to do right there. These shrimp are deveined and peeled already. And makes it super easy to make the tacos with that. All right, guys, so we're gonna start sauteing our shrimp. And we kind of want to sear these. So I want a little bit more heat than maybe a saute would normally necessitate. But we're gonna start off with some olive oil, and that's probably about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So here's a tip. I put in a shrimp so I could tell when this was hot enough. And so now we're ready. It's good to go. You see this, you see it popping. So you got a little bit of a simmer there. You put our shrimp in. And we start working the shrimp around. And this doesn't take long. You can see the shrimp, when they start curling up and they become opaque. You've got wonderful shrimp here. So now I'm gonna let them finish cooking with the heat in the pan. Because these are done. And what I'm gonna do here now is take a little bit more of my shrimp seasoning, shrimp taco seasoning here, my taco seasoning. Just dust them real quick, lightly. Don't wanna over season them. You know, you could taste them first and see how they taste. Then what I'm gonna do here, get these a nice little toss. And that, those are some beautiful shrimp. So tacos are kind of like pizza. You can make them your own in whatever way you like. And so here are some of the ingredients I love on my tacos. I've got some red onion and cilantro. I've got some green tops off of some green onion or scallion. I've got a few tomatoes, and I've got a Mexican blend of cheese. This is Kraft 4 cheese Mexican blend. It's really good, real simple. It's in the bag. I don't try to make it too complicated. And then lastly, I've got some good old-fashioned sour cream. And so I'm gonna show you how I put all this together, and then we'll take a bite of this taco and we'll see what we got. So one of the things I like to do here with my tacos is, even though these are the standard stuffed taco shells, which means they have a flat bottom, the bottom makes it easier for them to stand up because they're flat. What you can do is take a lime, cut it in half, and then what you can do as a nice garnish, and also as a very practical garnish, because they can squeeze some of the lime juice onto their taco, is you can use these limes face down, cut side down, as bookends to hold up your taco while you get ready to prepare it. And then we come in, and at this point, we got this beautiful shrimp that we've cooked. Y'all see that shrimp? That shrimp's amazing. And we just take enough shrimp to make a taco. And so I'll just take a couple shrimp and put down in there. Yeah, that's nice there, man. Yeah, I just run a few shrimp along the bottom. That's probably 7 shrimp, 8 shrimp. You can stuff them however you like to. I just want just enough in here, because these are the star of the show. Next thing I'm gonna do here is I wanna bring in some of my red onion. Just a few pieces of that. Then we come back in here. We got some cilantro. You can kind of tear that as you want to. You can put the whole stems on there, but I like tearing it. Tearing your herbs releases the oils that they have in them, and it really heightens the smell and the taste of the herb in the food. Next thing we're gonna do here is come in here with a few of these tomatoes. And I'm not really big on tomatoes in my tacos, but you know, we're on YouTube. We're gonna have some fun and show you guys what this looks like fully dressed out, because I know some of y'all love tomatoes on your taco. And this sour cream is wonderful. We'll take this, put a dollop of sour cream right on top of our taco. And then we come back in here with some cheese. I like putting the sour cream on first before the cheese, because it helps the cheese to stick and stay in place. And then the last thing, as a little bit of a garnish on top, we come in here with some green onion. And then, because we're on YouTube and I gotta shoot some videos, some pictures later, add a little bit of a garnish there so people can see what's really good. And then we come in here with a little bit of cheese around as a garnish All that's gonna get ate, get eaten. We're gonna knock that out. And that, my friends, put a little sprig of cilantro here, around here, just as a corner. All right, let's see what these tacos taste like. Take a little bit of this lime juice. I'm gonna squeeze some of this lime. On these tacos. Let's see what we got here. Mmm. Mmm. Simply amazing. Simply amazing. Fresh. Mmm. Mmm. Every bite reveals a new flavor. The corn taco shell, amazing. Store-bought taco shell. Sour cream is good. Cheese stands out. The citrus from that fresh squeeze of lime, plus your shrimp. That is the best taco that you'll ever have, in my humble opinion. Guys, thank you again for watching another episode of This Is How I Cook, presented by me, Jamison. Do me a favor, hit that subscription button on the YouTube page. Also turn on those notifications, and that way you guys can get all the latest details of when I push out a brand new video. Until next time, remember, thank you guys for watching, and please, once again, continue to fall back in love with your kitchen at home. Take care.